It actually stands for something we created. Funny, amazing, retarded, TV! Okay, for our first segment, we're going to do Super Weird Heroes. My name is going to be Super Retard. My name is Super Insane. Okay, and here we go. Fighting off all things, people! Fighting off all awesome people! Whoa! Who are you? I am Super Insane, coming to stand my ground. I am Super Retard, and you have no ground. Don't you? Okay. For our next segment, we're going to play Weird Scientist. Okay. I'll be the customer. She's going to be the evil scientist. Bring it them. I'm going to walk in. Come in. Hey, yo, I want the potion to make my hair and my afro go big, because I don't have a big afro. I don't have an afro at all. I just have a hood on to make myself look cool, you know? I don't have an afro. One afro. Get me a potion to make my afro go big. Kid, this is a science lab. It's not a magician's store. Just do it, dog. The only thing I can do is bounce at your head and see a bump grow. Well, you better not do that. Give me a potion. I want my afro to go big. Like, here's a potion. Well, that potion works. Okay, now we're going to do some normal stuff. Like hidden talent. My talent is I can sing and dance. I can't stop the plane at land with a dream in my cardigan. Your turn. My hidden talent is I can cook. Listen, how good I am. I want to make someone throw up out of goodness. And if you annoy me, I can make that happen to you. Okay, now, for our quiz, we are going to play Stupid Bet. Stupid little baby, wake up. Mama, I am bed. Shut up, I am good yet. I gotta open it back and okay, I get a surgery. Okay. Oh, why is this thing moving? Oh my. Shut up, you stupid animal.
show, people. So peace out. Please rate, subscribe, and rate. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe. You guys, people rock. Remember, I'm Sierra. I'm Dylan. And this is Bark.com. Please watch our show. You guys rock. This is the last final. Come here. The last final thing. Boom! Yay!